Once upon a time, there was a woman who was trapped in a tower by a ferocious dragon.
We're almost there. Let's go.
Welcome, young, brave knight. I know why you're here. You know why you are here. So let's cut to the chase. If you try to pass, I'll burn you and eat you. But I am getting too old for this, so let's come to an agreement. I'll let you proceed if you turn over your weapons, armor, and leave that horse. Damn it, that is the wrong word. We're gonna do this again.
You got a deal.
Oh, and the only way up is to call to Rapunzel to let down her hair. And you will have to climb up. Don't forget, leave the armor and the sword.
Hubba, hubba, hubba. Rapunzel, let down your hair so I can come up and visit you.
Come on up. I love the company.
Our hero finally makes it up to claim his prize.
Welcome to my lair.
They laughed. They danced. They played. They Netflixed. And they chilled. Until, the drama began.
Who are you dreaming about just then? Fool, Rapunzel didn't stutter. Who was you dreaming about just then?
What are you talking about?
You need to get out of my tower. Rapunzel ain't got time for no man who gonna be dreaming about some old nasty stank hoe while he's sleeping up in my bed.
Huh? Maybe you need to take a pill or something.
Rapunzel ain't crazy. Now out.
Okay then, let down your hair so I can go.
Don't leave me. I love you. Please don't go.
Okay. Baby, you okay?
Don't baby me. Ask that heifer who you was dreaming about.
Huh? But,
You hurt me. I don't deal with no cheating ass man. Get your ass out. Now.
then let down your hair so I can go then. What are you doing?
You ain't going nowhere. Oh, you think you could just come up here, make Rapunzel fall in love, and then leave Rapunzel? I'll kill your ass. You ain't ever gonna leave Rapunzel. You ain't never going nowhere.
Dragon! Help!
Jump! I'll catch you.
Ah!
Gotcha.
Thanks, bro.
Sometimes princesses are locked in towers to protect them from the world. And other times they are locked up so to protect the world from them.
And now you know.